Good morning, Raiders. Today's Motivation Monday is about free speech. You're going to be reading an Achieve article about what freedom of speech actually means. So I want you to take 30 seconds and turn to a neighbor and talk about what that means. What does it mean to have free speech? And can anybody share their ideas? After you talk for 30 seconds, I want you to go onto your Achieve article and take the before reading poll, and then we'll move on to the next step. Teacher, can you go and look on your Achieve dashboard and see what the poll results are? Let's share them with the kids. That's interesting. Did these poll results surprise you? Didn't think of that. Anybody else have any other things they want to add in? Good point. Guys, it's time to read. So now I want you to think about all of the different ideas that people have about freedom of speech, their freedom of speech. While you're reading this article, I want you to think about the two different groups. What are they saying? Which side do you agree with? Explain, really think about why you think this way. What is your experience with freedom of speech? And I also want you to think about how do your words and what you say affect others? All right, time to read. All right, guys, you should have finished reading the article and doing the activity. Now we're going to go to the after poll. Free speech means that anyone can share their ideas no matter what. Has your ideas changed about this since you took the before reading poll? Go back and take the after reading poll, and then we'll talk about it. Teacher, I need you to go and find your dashboard one more time, and I want to look at the differences between the before poll and the after poll. Pull that up for me. All right, guys, so hopefully you've taken the poll, and I'm interested in the differences. I want you to take 30 seconds, and I want you to chat with a neighbor about this one more time. How has your opinion changed based on the article you read? Alright guys, you've done the before reading poll, you've read the article, you've answered the questions in the activity, and you've done the after reading poll. You're almost done. Before you started reading, I asked you to think about a couple things though. What are some different ideas about freedom of speech? What do the two groups say? What are the opposite sides? What are the oppositions saying? Which side do you agree with? And really think about why you agree with it. Now all you have left to do is the think question, the thought question, and it's super easy. You've basically already answered it. Now you just have to put it down in words. So go ahead, click on the thought question, and put in a couple sentences about your opinion and the side that you agree with. There's no right or wrong answer here. The right answer is that you work through thinking and reading an article and making connections. And hopefully you walked away with a little bit of motivation today to say maybe what you think, as long as it doesn't offend or hurt anybody else. Because we can say what we want to, but we have to consider our audience, who we're talking to, and what impact our words might have on others. So I hope you have a great and motivational Monday, and we'll see you later. Bye!